Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest to invest. First video of 2022, and you know it has to be a SOFI stock video. So yeah, today's video is all about SOFI stock because I do believe it will be one of the best performing fintech stocks of 2022. I'm not going to say it's going to be the best performing stock, full stop, but definitely in the fintech space. That's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. First and foremost, something, could be nothing, but the SOFI app now says SOFI Bank when you go to deposit a check. So does that mean that the bank charter is more imminent than we thought? Now, I don't work in a bank, but I'm pretty sure you can't say bank if it's not a bank, you know? That seems like something you shouldn't be allowed to do. And also, people on Reddit are saying that a couple of help pages are broken or not loading properly. So maybe they're working on some updates and maybe it was kind of a leak, maybe they weren't supposed to update it to SOFI Bank so soon, but that seems like a pretty big mistake and I don't think that would get past them. But it must be said that when you actually go to the legal section, it does say SOFI and affiliates are not a bank. So it's a little bit of a mystery for now. So we'll just have to wait and see. Maybe there's an announcement coming out very soon about the bank charter. Regardless, 2022 is setting up to be an excellent year for the versatile fintech SOFI Technologies, which was actually one of the most notable companies to go public through a special purpose acquisition company, SPOC, in 2021. The app is continuing to pick up users at light speed pace. It really is a super app, if you will. And it's one of the first companies to develop this sort of financial super app that combines so many features into a single user interface. When you're used to having one app for your bank, one app for your credit card, another for your brokerage, another for your investments. It really is. Convenience is everything now. And, you want everything to be frictionless. And this concept is becoming more popular. Other companies like Affirm Holdings are developing potentially a competing product, but it doesn't matter because SOFI was the first, so they've got that first mover advantage, growing users from 704,000 in the first quarter of 2019 to, wait for it, 2.9 million in the third quarter of 2021. So that's a user growth of 96% year over year in Q3, and that momentum remains strong. And the lending business getting back on track, that is huge as well. Lending, especially student loans, is kind of SOFI's core business. The company has faced a few challenges in this area, from a federal freeze on student loans, which was a measure taken to provide financial relief during the pandemic. The uncertainty that this plan created definitely kept management from raising 2021 guidance in the second quarter. Management estimated a potential 4% to 5% revenue hit from the freeze, so roughly $40 million. And we can see this playing out in SOFI's third quarter loan originations. Mortgage originations grew 26% year over year in Q3, while personal loans grew 166%, but student loans shrank by 6%. The student loan freeze ends this month, however, in January, and when it does, there could be a huge surge in students looking to refinance, which would potentially, logically boost SOFI's lending business. SOFI's confidence has increased since Q2 as management raised 2021 revenue guidance in Q3 from $980 million to $1.01 billion. And then, of course, like I mentioned, the imminent bank charter. SOFI formally applied for a national bank charter in July 2020 and acquired community bank Golden Pacific Bancorp in March to help advance those efforts. The company at the moment underwrites its loans using third-party banks, but having that charter would allow SOFI to fully operate as a bank using deposits to fund its loans. Aside from regulatory changes, a lower cost of capital would be the primary benefit for SOFI. It would noticeably improve the business's profitability. Management estimates that a charter could improve the company's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, by an incremental $1 billion through 2025. Also, Morningstar has SoFi current fair value at $22. At the moment, it's $15. I think $17 is definitely the next stop pretty soon. I mean, Asia tech stocks are flying and NASDAQ futures are way up. So yeah, I hope everybody is ready. I think the daily chart on SoFi looks kind of interesting. You know, we've got pretty strong support here around 14.19 and resistance at around 24.53. And there seems to be, you know, this pump straight up and a pullback, pump straight up. And this has happened 3 times. So the RSI is at 35 at the time of filming this. So, you know, it's in that oversold area. I can definitely see us heading right back up, swinging back up to the around $24. And if we can break through that resistance line, you know, we go up to $30 and beyond. So guys, that's all for today. Have a great 2022. But obviously, you know, I'm going to be checking in with you hopefully more regularly this year. Hopefully trying to get to a daily schedule. So you guys will be sick of me. Thanks so much for listening and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.